Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best H7 LED bulb that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Akarui LED H7 Headlight Bulbs Conversion Kit. Very famous brand manufacturer of LEDs for cars, Akarui, produces headlights of all popular skirting boards. The most popular H7 bulbs are LED lamps of extremely high brightness. With a high brightness of 9600 lumens, there are no dark spots or fog lamps. This makes it much easier to see on the road in foggy conditions. Each lamp emits 4800 lumens, providing very clear white light of 6000 K, which ensures clear visibility of the road in the dark and at night. This is especially necessary when you consider the many objects and obstacles on the road. Up next is the Hikari LED Headlight Bulbs Conversion Kit H7. Those who want to maximize the brightness of their H7 lamps will want to go a different way than using a standard halogen lamp. This LED conversion kit is one of several that are easy to find on the market, and these are bright. They are available at 9600 lumens, see full specifications, and their plug-and-play features mean you can upgrade quickly and easily, even if you do not have extensive automotive knowledge. If you want the brightest H7 lamps, these are an absolute winner. They were a little on the expensive side. Third up is the Auxbeam FS2 series H7 LED Headlight Bulbs Conversion Kit. LED conversion kits do not necessarily have to be super expensive, and this kit is available at a reasonable price if you are willing to forego a little brightness and durability. With a combined luminous efficacy of 8000 lumens, this kit is still a remarkable upgrade over conventional headlights, consuming a reasonable 72 watts of power. They are not the brightest kit on the market, but the decisive advantage over a normal light bulb becomes immediately visible once you have installed it. Moving along, here we have the Rigid Horse H7 80 watts 8000 lm 6500 K Cree LED Headlight Bulb Conversion Kit. The Rigid Horse is a respectable option combined with some advanced cooling features and a remarkable 8000 lumens. They have penetrated far into the daylight end of the color spectrum and arrive at 6000 K, see full specifications, which can avoid some of the problems people have when brighter LEDs are too white. The costs are medium, but it is a fantastic offer for those who are looking for a way to maximize the light in their vehicle. To end with here, we have the BEAMTECH H7 LED Headlight Bulb Bandless CSP chips. BEAMTECH H7 LED Headlight Bulb is the latest Korean CSP LED chip, double-sided. It produces 8000 lumen power, super bright with a power of 4000 lm per light, a maximal suitable for safe driving at night. 6500 K xenon white color, far more than the halogen bulb and HID bulb. That is a perfect option if you need a bright light for a good price. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.